Hello everyone. My name is Eddie, and I'm here to guide you in retrieving the two accounts you'll be needing here at WWCC. These accounts are CTC Link and NetID. To start, let's open your web browser of choice. Then, visit www.cc.edu/netid. Now, click on Account Recovery. Please enter the email address used when you registered. This will be the preferred email set in CTC Link. Check your email to obtain your WWCC account's details. The email will contain your CTC Link ID and your NetID username details as well. You have successfully obtained the two accounts you will be needing here at WWCC. If you run into any problems getting your accounts, please open a support ticket at www.cc.edu/helpdesk.